Hi everyone, welcome to our tip of the week. This week we're going to be concentrating on a question within English comprehension. What we thought we would do is share with you a little snippet from one of our recent mock exams, and it actually comes from Anne of Green Gables, and show you a question that we wanted to just talk about the importance of referring back to the text to help you with word meaning. So what we've got here is we've got a little snippet from the passage. And we've got a line number here of line 10, and interestingly within the question then it does refer you back to line 9, and this is really important that when you are given a line reference you do go back to the relevant place within the passage to really help you understand how to answer that question. So I'm just going to read you this short little snippet here, and then we'll have a look at what the question is asking you to do. They had a very good time and nothing untoward happened until after tea, when they found themselves in the Barry garden, a little tired of all their games and ripe for any enticing form of mischief which might present itself. This presently took the form of daring. Now, what we can see within that passage is we've got lots of fairly challenging vocabulary, and the question is asking you to find out which is the closest in meaning to the word enticing. So let's just have a little look at that in slightly more detail. So we've got ripe for enticing form, line 9. So this is the line that we're going to be concentrating on here, and there's the word enticing. And in this context, which word is closest in meaning to enticing? And we've got 4 options. We've got A, encouraging, B, ensuring, C, tempting, and D, dropping. Now, what I often find with questions like this, we've got to make sure that that word that replaces enticing works in the sentence. So let's just prove that to you. A little tired of all their games and ripe for any encouraging form of mischief. Don't think that quite works. Let's try the next one, ensuring. A little tired of all their games and ripe for any ensuring form of mischief. Again, that doesn't quite work. Remember, we're looking for a word that means the same as enticing. A little tired of all their games and ripe for any tempting form of mischief. Now that sounds a lot better, and certainly for children that are unsure about what enticing might mean, by putting that word into that sentence, hopefully then they know that it gives you the same meaning. And enticing, coaxing, and tempting all mean the same. We will just check that dropping doesn't work. All their games and ripe for any dropping form of mischief. So we can rule out dropping, and then we know the answer is tempting. So I think what we want to try and prove with this tip of the week, how important it is to go back into the passage and make sure that you are replacing those words, and that hopefully will help you identify the closest in meaning. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.